Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove song from a playlist. Alright, so the first thing I would like you to do is to launch your YouTube Music, which of course I have done right here. So the next thing is, how can you download or install YouTube Music application? Now, if you're using an Android phone, then you can find it on Google Play Store, and if you're using an iPhone, you can find it on Apple Store. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar of this applications, type YouTube Music and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for YouTube. Now, YouTube Music is already integrated into your Google account, so signing in is hassle-free. So after signing in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage with a fantastic user interface. All right, so now we're here, let's quickly learn how to remove a song from a playlist. I'm going to show you where my playlist is. So from this bottom corner of your screen, you can find Home, Samples, Explore, and Library. So go ahead and click on Library, and that takes you here. So at the top of this library, you find playlists, songs, album, artist, and podcast. So go ahead and click on playlist, and I have my playlist over here. One is Soothing Sounds and one is Song of Fire. So I'm just gonna click on Soothing Sounds. So this Soothing Sounds, and I have one song already added to my playlist, and that is The Cleansing Fire by the legendary Lawrence Ayer. So if I want to get rid of this song from the Soothing Sounds playlist, I'm just going to click on the three dots menu just right next to the playlist, and you have this extended option that includes add to queue, save to library, download, save to playlist, and remove from playlist. So go ahead and click on remove from playlist, and that has already been removed from playlist. So I can click on add a song to add more songs. So that's pretty much the process. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.